Why you need a personal knowledge base.
A personal knowledge base is your organized library of learning. In the fast-evolving world of technology, keeping track of new concepts, tools, and best practices can be overwhelming. A knowledge base helps you capture what you learn, structure your information, and revisit it when needed, empowering you to build skills faster and stay ahead in your tech career.
Choosing the right tools.
Selecting the right tools makes building your knowledge base easier. Popular options include note-taking apps like Notion, Obsidian, or Evernote. Some prefer simple tools like physical notebooks or plain text files. Choose something you feel comfortable with and can easily use daily. The best tool is one that fits your workflow and encourages consistent learning habits.
Organizing your knowledge.
Structure brings order to your learning. Organize your knowledge base into broad categories, such as programming languages, frameworks, or key concepts. Create notes for specific topics and link related ideas together. Use tags, folders, or links for quick navigation. Regularly review and update your organization, making it easier to find information when you need it.
Adding and reviewing content.
Consistency is key to growth. Make it a habit to capture new insights from articles, tutorials, code snippets, and experiences. Write in your own words and summarize what you've learned. Set regular times to review and revise your notes, reinforcing learning and identifying areas that need deeper understanding. This routine turns knowledge into practical skills over time.
Staying motivated for continuous learning.
A personal knowledge base fuels lifelong learning. Set clear goals for your tech growth. Track your progress and celebrate milestones. Engage with communities, share your knowledge, and seek feedback. By making learning visible and meaningful, your knowledge base becomes a powerful tool that accelerates growth and keeps you motivated to stay on top of changes in tech.